if you want to do anything, stop doing that. Because no one is going to get is going to meet your expectation. Something like they are going to impress like anything with my new car, with my gold, with my ornaments. Like they have their own jobs, they have their own risks, they have their own problems. They are busy with their own things only. Next, have you remembered? Rajiv, one wonderful example I covered in this context. Named with the biryani example. So, biryani example. Wonderful example. Everyone listening, right? Can you please confirm once? Because
Yes,
I'm
sir.
not
Yes.
seeing any response.
Yes.
Yeah, good. Okay.
Yes,
If you
sir.
go to the hotel, just you sat on the table, waiting to give the order. Waiting to give the order. Okay, you sat on the table waiting for the order. You to give the order. Just beside your table or in front of your table, there is one person in there. In front of him, very hot biryani. Okay, biryani handi came like he's trying to eat. I mean, okay, that biryani. This type of experience multiple times it is there with you people. Correct, right? You had this type of experience.
Yes, sir.
Then what happened here? By seeing that biryani and that person, are you going to think about that person or are you going to think about biryani?
Biryani.
Yes, friends? You are always going to think about
Biryani.
biryani. Arey, if I ordered that biryani, seems to be too good. Okay, then if I eat that, then it will be good, right? Like, so whenever waiter is coming, whenever the person who is going to take the order, that person is coming, yeah, one biryani. If you don't know that, what is that item? Can you please order the same item? Like, we never going to think about, the person who is eating this biryani is the lucky person. We never. We are always going to think about, if I eat that biryani, it will be good. It seems to be, the smell, it seems to be look and feel wonderful. Then I require to eat. The same thing, man. The same thing is going to be happen. If you are buying a luxury car, if you are buying a luxury items, a big mansion house, the people you are expecting, they are always going to give the value by seeing your luxury items, luxury house, a very lavish house, next luxury car, next valuable ornaments. By seeing all these things, the people are going to give the value. Like you are going to fail. They never. It's a wrong approach. They never going to worry about your things. They have a number of worries are there. They have a number of problems are there. They have a number of issues are there. They are always busy with their own problems, man, with their own work. Just for 1 minute or 2 minutes. Attention. You may grab their attention, but after 1 or 2 minutes, they never going to worry about that. Remember carefully. So, don't do the things to impress others. Your value is not because of your luxury car. Your value is not because of your lavish house. Your value is not because of your gold, diamond ornaments what you wear. Your value is always based on the results. Your value is always based on your character. Your value is always based on your kind heart. Your value is always based on the results, your position, what you achieved. Based on that, your value will be there, not based on your luxury items.